So we are now gonna talk through our top picks for when we need a little pick-me-up. I don't know about you, Meg, but like in January I find my skincare routine changes a lot because your skin's duller.
It's duller, drier.
Yeah. And like little makeup tips and tricks that we kind of use to make ourselves feel a bit better. So we've picked out 10. So this is a new product actually, this Ren Ready Steady Glow Tonic. It's not actually available yet. It's a little
sneaky peek.
Yeah. So that's going to be available very, very soon. It's actually amazing. It's a brightening toner that you use after you've cleansed, and it's got loads of willow bark in and lactic acid. So it kind of it's really gentle exfoliation. So it gets rid of all those dull, dead skin cells that we tend to have more of in the winter months because our skin is drier. So it's just a really good little like pick me up, and like it really does get builds the collagen and gets your complexion more radiant. So that's a good little one there. Then, personal favourite of mine, an eye serum, because after December when sleep is lacking, my eyes are looking quite puffy. This is packed full of retinol, which is basically an amazing anti-ager, and when you're puffy or you've got fine lines, it really, really fills them out. So just a little bit of this.
Yeah, and it's never too early to start anti-aging skincare, is it?
No.
Like I've kind of been pretending that that's not true, but actually like mid-20s, it's time to think about that.
So we're there now, which is sad, but this is retinol youth, so you'll be back to looking youthful. Yeah, so you can use this every single day. Just use your ring finger, which is your lightest finger, and just like pat under your, don't go too far up because otherwise you actually get puffier. Just put it on your eye bone before you go to sleep, and no more bags.
Perfect. Okay, I've got one for the men.
Yeah.
Okay, it's James Reed, which is one of my favourite tanning brands, but this is actually for men. And if you're a man that might not, instantly feel comfortable with the notion of self-tan, this is very, very foolproof. You literally spray it on, and then maybe you can do that before bed at the end of your evening skincare routine, and you wake up and you just have a glow, like a subtle, just come back from a little couple of days in Spain sort of glow. Nothing too crazy, but it does make you look healthier, more alert. I always think if I don't want to wear makeup, I'll often self-tan instead. Yeah. So I think for guys, actually, why not try this out? Just feel a little bit glowy, and nobody quite knows why.
I want to see men everywhere spraying their faces.
Yeah, so do I. Absolutely, you should go for it, and it is formulated for the male skin as well. A couple of sort of miscellaneous options. Dental healthcare is actually not to be. It really is. It's not to be ignored. Everybody wants whiter teeth. There are lots of things available in certain places that I'm not sure how good they are for your teeth. So it's nice to go to something.
You have to be quite careful with your teeth. Lots of things are actually not great.
Yeah, just
correctly. Yeah.
Exactly. So this is a Regenerate toothpaste, but it actually will make your teeth whiter, and it protects the enamel as well. So it just has a lot more going on than maybe a regular toothpaste, and I've seen quite a difference using this. So one to check out definitely in January months.
Makeup, okay.
Exciting category.
I'm super excited about this.
Yes, me too.
So it's their new Natural Radiant Foundation. I was wearing it earlier, but then I had
a facial, so it's now gone, but it looked really nice earlier.
You got it on now?
I actually haven't. I've got the YSL Touche Eclat on, but I need to try this.
It's quite similar to the YSL Touche Eclat. It's really nice. It's kind of a mid coverage, I would say, quite glowy, and they've got so many shades.
Yeah, it's a really good shade range. Yeah,
and they've got a really good shade matching tool on our site, so you can match yourself with that. And obviously, everyone's favourite pick me up, their concealer, so you can get one to match your foundation. So all those red skin, dry skin, you can cover that up.
Yeah, is. And then this is absolutely incredible. It's from Lumine, which is actually massive in Japan. I went there and everyone loves Lumine. I can see why. It's an invisible illumination beauty serum, but I don't know how to describe it really, because when you actually droplet it out, you think, oh, that won't give me any coverage. And then when you put it all over your face, it's like having just a sheen that masks and blurs everything.
Yeah, you've become a bit obsessed with it. Meg talks about it
every day. Talk about it a lot. I exactly mean, it's really great. But yeah, you can get it in 3 different shades, and it sort of adapts to your skin tone, so it doesn't really matter too much on the shade range. But it basically, if you don't want to wear foundation one day, but you just want a bit of something, it's absolutely ideal. Or say you've just been to the gym and you need to just slap something on your face really, really quickly before going back to work. this would be perfect. It's incredible.
Can you mix it into foundation?
Yeah, you
or
could mix
moisturiser
it
and
maybe
stuff?
like even these two together, you could mix it into a slightly heavier foundation and it would just make it even more glowy, more dewy and a bit more like daytime coverage. So definitely one to check out.
Nice. Okay, so you're obsessed with that. I've become obsessed with these Nip and Fab highlighters. They come in 3 shades, I think, and you literally just like drop it onto your hand and dab it on, and it's such a glorious glow.
They're amazing.
Yeah.
It's like proper Instagram glow.
It is quite glowy, so it's kind of really good for a night out.
Yeah.
It's really illuminating. I'm actually obsessed with illumination, clearly, because I've also got this.
This is the birthday pearls.
They are the birthday pearls.
They're
I'm
so
gonna open them.
pretty.
They're so pretty.
Let's not throw them all
so
over the
they're
floor.
the classic girl.
Oh.
So classic. I've
Let's
dropped
throw
them
them all over the
everywhere.
floor.
We'll get a new one of them.
Yeah, we will.
And they also smell of Parma violets, which is nice.
That is really lovely.
You know, these is actually limited edition. It's a really pretty pot, and again, you just highlight over your cheeks.
And exclusive to us, right?
They are exclusive to us, yeah.
So you need to get them from Feelunique.
Yeah, I think they're celebrating 30 years of meteorites.
Perfect.
So, yeah.
Okay, so going on to an absolute cult classic. I don't really want to try and pronounce this. Do you want to try?
Nukes, we prodigy. No, I can't do it.
That's really nice. You know, it's the Nukes oil, like the oil. I think they've reformulated ever so slightly. And it now comes
Spray.
with a spray, which is great because this morning I was putting the normal bottle on my hair and it's a little bit harder to get out, so this is much easier. And I don't think I really need to go on too much about this. It's amazing. You can use it on your face, on your body.
You put it on your hair?
On your hair. Put it in my hair.
Oh, interesting.
Because if you are a fellow curly girl and you're trying to cut out like silicons and things from your hair routine, then this doesn't have any of those things in, so it's completely like, I don't know if it's, yes, it's 100% natural. Yeah, silicone-free, 100% botanical oils, so you can literally use it anywhere. Amazing for stretch marks, like dry skin.
Yeah, it's a great like post-holiday, post-sun oil and stuff.
Yeah,
so
it's a
such
really good one to
multitasking.
have in your collection, and yeah, I put it on my hair all the time.
We're on last but not least.
And the last but not least, and this is a fun, we'll give a shout out to Sarah.
Our editor.
She recommended this because she's prepping for her wedding and wanted to get amazing nails, and it's called Nail Teaks, and there's different formulas for where your nails are at. I'm a bit of a secret nail biter if I'm a bit stressed, and this is really, really helping, to be honest, to like restore my nails. And say you've had gels on for ages or acrylics and you want to get your natural nails back to where they should be and more. The reviews on this are amazing, honestly. If you read them, you'll just be sold.
The results are amazing.
Yeah.
Sarah has been using it. Honestly, her nails are, well, I mean, they're not this long, but they have grown an incredible amount, literally just because of using this.
They really do. So you literally pop it on just bare nails, and then every other day you add another coat, and then I believe after a week you sort of take it off and start the process again. So you could do it maybe just in between gels, which is what I've started doing, or you can kind of keep at it if you're really, really wanting your natural nails to be incredible. But yeah, it's a good one.
So there you go. That's kind of our capsule pick-me-up selection.
You're
Actually,
feeling
it's a pretty good.
fantastic.
It is a pretty good selection.
It's a really good selection.